Seamless elbows adhere to strict production standards and unique processes, which include two main methods. One is hot push forming, where the pipe flank is heated to a suitable temperature and then slowly pushed into the elbow shape using a pusher in a specially designed mold. Hot push forming ensures uniform wall thickness and precise dimensions. The other is stamping forming, where the pipe flank is cut to the appropriate length, heated, placed in a mold, and quickly stamped into an elbow using a press. Elbows have a wide range of applications. In the petrochemical industry, elbows are needed to change flow direction. Seamless elbows can withstand high pressure and corrosive media, ensuring safe and stable transportation. In the construction industry, they are commonly used in central air conditioning piping systems, ensuring the sealing and stability of the piping system and making air conditioning operations more efficient. Metleader primarily manufactures elbows in various specifications, made of carbon steel and stainless steel. Quality is guaranteed. Global partners are welcome to send inquiries.